Hey everyone, it's Shauna the Tax Goddess here with you today to talk about operating agreements. So I know, normally only attorneys get excited about operating agreements, but if you're in business, you should too. Operating agreements are one of the most important documents for a business to have, especially if you have two partners that are not related or not married to each other. Because really the operating agreement tells you what's going to happen in case of, right? It's effectively a prenup for a business. So one of my favorite examples is, let's say you've got two partners, one of them passes away. How does the other partner get the first partner's ownership? Or does he? Or she? Does the person who is still alive, does the shares of the deceased person go to the deceased person's spouse? What happens to those shares? Often an example like this is where we're going to see something like buy-sell insurance, be able to have the company pay out to the widow so that the widow hands over the shares and the company maintains the ownership, or the single owner that's now left retains the ownership. So these are all considerations. This is why I call an operating agreement basically a prenup for a business. So if you're in business with a partner and you don't have one of these things, this is the time to have the discussion, right? The other cases we've seen is, people start a business, everything is rose-colored glasses, everything's fantastic, but a couple of years in now, the two partners are fighting and they don't have an operating agreement to settle whatever the dispute is. So really, as you're thinking through this operating agreement with your partners, make sure you're thinking about all of those what-if scenarios, right? What if somebody dies? What if somebody gets upset? What if somebody just wants to leave the partnership? They don't want to be in it anymore. What is the value of those shares if somebody's trying to get out? Is it a formula based on gross revenue? What is that value? So if you have any questions on operating agreements, we've seen literally thousands of these things. Obviously, we don't write them. We're not attorneys. But we can definitely get you to a business attorney. You're going to want to talk to like a corporate attorney. They can help you write these things and write them well and well enough for what you need for your business. So definitely one of the things that I, Tax Goddess, always want to see on all of our clients is an operating agreement. It really is literally that important. So I hope you guys are having an amazing day, and I look forward to seeing you guys next week. All right, bye.